In this video, I will talk about visual schedule and its use. A visual schedule is a visual representation of a series of activities or tasks presented in a sequential order. It helps individuals, especially those with autism or other cognitive challenges, understand and anticipate what will happen throughout their day. Visual schedules use pictures, symbols, or written words to communicate each activity, promoting organization, routine, and reducing anxiety caused by unexpected changes. The primary purpose of a visual schedule is to enhance communication and comprehension for individuals with autism who may struggle with understanding verbal instructions or abstract concepts of time and sequence. By providing a concrete visual representation of their day, it helps them develop a sense of predictability and structure, leading to increased independence and reduced frustration. A visual schedule can be as simple or complex as needed, depending on the individual's cognitive and developmental level. Some common components include: first, activity icons, pictures, symbols, or words representing each activity. This can be actual photographs, drawings, or images from communication system, picture exchange communication system. Second, time markers. Some visual schedules include time markers or clocks indicating when each activity will occur. This can be beneficial for individuals who are more time-oriented. Third, sequence. The order of activities is typically arranged from left to right or top to bottom, representing the progression of the day. Fourth and last, completion markers. Some schedules use markers or Velcro pieces to indicate when an activity is completed, helping the individual track their progress. So, how to use visual schedules appropriately with a child with autism? First, start with a simple schedule. For beginners or children new to visual schedules, start with a simple schedule that covers a few key activities throughout the day. For example, visual schedule for a child with autism for morning routine may look as follows: wake up, brush teeth, get dressed, eat breakfast, school time. Second, involve the child. Include the child in the creation of the visual schedule. This can be done by selecting activity icons together or allowing the child to move the pictures once the activity is completed. Third, be consistent. Maintain a consistent daily routine using the visual schedule as a guide. Consistency will help the child understand what to expect and reduce anxiety caused by unexpected changes. Fourth, use clear and simple visuals. Ensure the activity icons are clear and easy recognizable. Avoid using overly complex images that may confuse the child. Fifth, pair visuals with verbal prompts. As the child becomes more familiar with the visual schedule, use it alongside verbal prompts to reinforce understanding and language development. 6. Provide positive reinforcement. Praise the child for following the schedule and completing the tasks. Positive reinforcement can motivate them to continue using the visual schedule effectively. 7. And last, update and adjust. As the child progresses, you can adjust the schedule, add new activities, or modify existing ones to match their changing needs and routines. Important here is to let the child throughout the day to remove the activity icons as they complete each task. This allows them to see their progress and what comes next. Additionally, you can use a timer or clock to help them understand the passage of time and anticipate upcoming activities. Remember, each child is unique and their needs may vary. The key is to tailor the visual schedule to the child's abilities and preferences to ensure it becomes an effective tool for communication and organization in their daily life. I hope this video helped you understand what a visual schedule is and how to use it. If you have any questions, make sure you type them in the comments below and I will do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.